Hi guys, welcome to Little Wicket Railway. I'm Rob and this is a short video on how to clean the wheels on your locomotives. The wheels form part of the electrical circuit that keep your trains moving, so it's really important to maintain a good contact between the wheels and the rails. Dirty wheels are one of the main reasons for trains not running smoothly. I recently picked up this second-hand Thomas the Tank engine and the wheels are filthy, so I thought this would be a good chance to show you how I go about cleaning them. So here's our Thomas, and I've already started by removing the bodywork, and this is probably half the challenge with these. I won't show you how I've done it because every model's different, but you really do need to get that off. You can try and clean the wheels without taking it off, but it's just a lot easier if you can actually get at the full wheels. So I'll see whether I can show you how dirty these are if I can get up close. See, you've got the black marks around the rims there, and then these two centre ones have traction tyres on, so we don't need to worry about cleaning those. And then we've got the rear wheels here, so pretty dirty. As a starting point, I thought we'd put it on the rolling road and see how well it runs before we do any cleaning. So bring that over there and let's turn the power up. So the power is on. Let's see whether we can get some life out of it. Oh, there we go. So intermittent running. So our aim is to improve upon that. And I'm going to show you two ways of cleaning wheels in this. The first is the gentle way using isopropyl alcohol, and the second way is a little bit more aggressive using a tool from Conrad Electronic. And I'll explain how that works later. There are a few different brands that do the same thing, but there's my version. So let's start with the gentle way, and it's gentle because it's a chemical way. It doesn't actually involve any kind of scrubbing or abrasion on the wheels. And for this you are going to need cotton buds and isopropyl alcohol, or IPA, and you can get this stuff off of eBay in quite large amounts. It's not the nicest of chemicals, so make sure you're using it in a well ventilated area and try to avoid getting any of it on your skin. This stuff evaporates really quickly, so also remember to keep the lid on the bottle after use. But that's also really good because it doesn't leave a residue, which is, we don't want to leave anything on these wheels, so that's really good. I'm going to take the top off of here. Take one of your cotton buds and dip it into the IPA. And there are kind of two ways you can do this. You can either just take your cotton bud and start cleaning the wheels like this, and because we've got access to the whole wheel, we can go all the way around. So as you can see, already quite a lot of dirt coming off there. So you just keep going around with your cotton bud. And once you've got the end dirty, don't put that back inside the bottle. Use the clean end, and then you just keep going around. However, there is a slightly quicker way, and if you can attach this to a power supply and get the wheels turning, that'll do all the work for you. So I'll go away, quickly attach this to a power supply, and I'll show you what I mean. It's a lot quicker to do it when the wheels are turning and they do all the work for you. So now I've got the locomotive attached to a power supply, and I can turn that on and get the wheels moving. It'll be a lot quicker for me to let the wheels do all the work. We can just clean them like this. And you don't want to put too much pressure on because it will strain the motor. I'm going to fast forward through this bit because it's pretty dull, but take your time, make sure you're cleaning the wheels really thoroughly and getting all that dirt off. It's important to also clean the inside of the wheels because that's where the pickup makes contact. So let's put this back on the rolling road and see whether we've got any improvement. So that's running much better. Now there is another method we can use to clean wheels, but it's slightly more aggressive, and it's using this device. So what this does is it's got two copper strips there, and you put it on top of the rails, and it's got brushes on top. Let's see if I can get this down. It's got these brushes on top. So you put your locomotive on top of there and hold it on there, and the bristles clean any dirt off the wheels. So I've used this on some really old models where there's been a real accumulation of dirt, and it works really well. So let's give it a go with this one. One word of warning though is that this model has traction tyres on the centre two wheels, and if you use these on the brushes they will destroy the tyres, so we'll need to do the front wheels and the back wheels separately. So we turn the power on and then we just hold and just apply light pressure. And we'll do the other set of wheels. So the wheels are now thoroughly clean, and let's see how it runs on the rolling road. And as you can see, this has made a difference, and we can now even go at really slow speed. So now our Thomas has lovely clean wheels, and you should be doing this for your locomotives a couple of times a year maybe, or when you notice that the performance has dropped, because dirty wheels, any dirt they've picked up will transfer onto your rails, which is also where you don't want it. Right, I am off to give the rest of this locomotive a service. And that's how I clean my locomotive wheels. If you've got any tips or advice on how you clean yours, then let me know in the comments below. If you found this video useful, then please give me a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will hopefully see you again soon.